whether to pursue innovation. Kasi dapat sa ilaha ang plano o decision kung di sa nila mag-define ang ilang mission, vision, and value. So that's the corporate strategy. So ang business strategy, makano siya sila ang mga middle level management, which occurs at the business or product unit that describes how a company improve its competitive position in the specific industry. So it means they are focusing on the operating ng isensa corporate strategy. So ang ilang main aim is to enhance the competitive position. And then, ang functional strategy, mga sila, which also formulated as the lower level management. So, naadiri, ang functional strategy, it means that it is a plan taken by a functional bias that is intended to maximize the productivity of resource to achieve the competitive advantage. So, naadiri ang mga employees, they are focusing on the specific activities like the marketing, the finance, and the production finance, and the human resources. So, nasa ilaha ang silbida activities yun kung diyon sa pagbuwan ka lang sa ilang products sa company. And then, wala na akong nabutang sa PPT na ating ginatawag na strategic formulation. Ang strategic formulation is mga nasilbi ang mga process sa strategy na before ka mukhang absdara ng strategic management, mga nasilbi mo ang first stage nga makahimo ka o strategy nga kanitong para makabalo ka o aha ka mag-focus on analyzing between the internal factors and external factors para ma-create ka strategies na ma-ensure nimo nga you ensure the success of that business.
Strategic formulation ba?
Strategy formulation. Strategy formulation. Mana silbi ang first stage na nga mukamaap ka sa isa ka strategy management. Ano siya ang process? First stage.
Thank you.
Strategy formulation. Strategy management.
Thank you.